In today's episode, I'm going to talk about bootstrapping and investments. When should we use both? When should we use either the bootstrapping or we should use the investors? I'm going to share a couple of stories in today's episode because it's not always obvious, and often we found ourselves searching for the wrong thing. Hi everyone. So I recently have seen again some difficulties in several startups and even mine last year, where we were searching for raising funds with crazy figures, etc. And you know what? Most of the time when we search for some investment, if we spend time really raising funds, that often that we are not ready for that. Before to try to raise any funds, before to try to convince investors, you need to convince your customers. You need to sell things. You need to sell at least some services. You need to have a business model in order to scale and to accelerate. No need to raise funds in order to accelerate if you don't have any business model. I mean, there are a couple of situations where if you really have good friends that really have tons of money, that really want to take some risks, they could invest in your concept. But most of the time, you are going to waste your time trying to raise funds. I've done that a lot for several startups, and now I found myself moving away from the investors, moving away from even the opportunity to get some public funds, because I mean it's so much energy. And people, they just say, it's okay, we love what you do, we're gonna give you funds, etc., etc. Then even the government, they say, that's okay, everything should go fine, etc., etc. And then 1 or 2 months after, nothing happened. There is always something. If it's not the coronavirus, there is something that you did wrong, or maybe a figure in your finance that is not really the way they were expecting. So keep control of what you can control, and what we can control is your product and your sales. So focus on what type of service you can develop, your sales, and then develop your product internally, small product prototype with no tech or low tech, and move forward with this. Help people with what you can afford, and from there you're going to be able to scale and to build something else. And you will see, as soon as you will have a real business model, even if it's service based or a mix between service and product, and then investors will knock at your door and ask and give you their money, because they will see you successful and they will want to be part of that adventure. So keep that in mind. If you are just beginning, if you are just getting started with your startup, don't try to raise funds. You're going to waste years before to be able to raise anything. And the only thing that you should focus on is to build something, even with no code or with little money, and just to test your market, to talk to your clients and provide them some services. By providing things manually, you will get to know your customers by heart. You will exactly know what to build later on. And when you will have, hopefully, the funds to develop your product, everything will be way much easier in order to create a good customer experience. Trust me. So I wish you a great day, and keep in mind to focus on your clients and what they want and what they need, instead of just raising funds. It takes too much time, especially nowadays. Wishing you a great day, and talk to you very, very soon. Bye.